Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account in 2024. There was a recent update on Instagram and things have been changed a little. Let me show you. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to hit the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to hit the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Now, when you're at settings, I want you to click at settings and privacy. This is where the big changes are coming. Meta currently updated this particular menu, so I want you to click on account center. When you're at account center, I want you to scroll down to the section account settings, and I want you to click on personal details. When you're at personal details, I want you to click on the last option, which is account ownership and control. And now this is the menu where you actually hit deactivation or deletion of your account. When you click on this one, all of the accounts that are currently logged into this particular multi-login will show up, meaning that when you click deletion or deactivation, you will have all the accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4 Instagram accounts. You will have some Instagram pages if you have Instagram pages. You will have Facebook pages, and you can simply manually click on the individual account and click delete. Quick reminder, when you click delete, you will have up to 30 days to go back and try to recover your account. If this 30-day time frame expires, you will no longer be able to recover your account, and the whole information and data will be lost forever. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.